I'm so sorry. Mom, stop playing the games. I don't want to hear it, Mom. Hello guys, welcome back to Tyson's Never to Go. What did that thing go about? Well, we are doing another bad sense with the mommas. Before we get into the video, make sure you all guys all subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and turn on hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time we post a new video. Bad sounds with the mama starts in 3. I do what I want. Mommy, I don't want to hear that sound. You know what, Mom? This is your... You know what, Mom? Why you did that? Because then you're going to say, oh my gosh, smoking. You're going to pick it back up. Oh my God! It's broken, Mom? I'm so sorry. Well, that's what you get when you don't turn your dang phone off. You know what? I'm doing it again. I broke it, bro? Or maybe I can hit you like that. You won't, because I will hit you back. Uh-oh. Mom, I'm sorry I broke your thing too. Yeah, I'm going to try going off. Get me. Mom, sorry. My mom's calling the police. I need to hide. It's not good. My mom's calling the police. My mom called the police. Nothing. 10 days later. Whew. The male person. I don't know why this mama with 3 kids never comes out of the house and gets the mail. She comes out of the house every day, but she never gets her mail, and I had to send it to her. Man, is there ever a day where she's gonna come out and get her mail? Let me write the mail in. Okay, there we go. Oh, I have a channel. I hope everyone believe I have my first channel. My channel's been running very great. Miss Johnson doesn't know about it. I forgot to tell her that in the mail. They did. Let me tell Miss Johnson that in the mail. My YouTube channel. Okay, I told her. Hello guys, welcome back to Tyson's Summer Squad. Today's video gonna be about. Well, today's video is about. There was this weird lady. You guys all know I'm a mailman. And this lady, she never comes out of her house to get the mail. She comes out of her house every day, but she never gets the mail. I'll see you in the next video. I will post again in a minute. Let me take this to Miss Johnson's doorstep. Wait, before I add these back. Sheila, when I come, I'm going to be the mailman, and you will say, Miss Johnson, why you never come to I don't know why I haven't did anything. Let me go use the bathroom. I just had to eat my grapes. Let me go to Miss Johnson now. Where's my note? There it is.
Come on, that doesn't work out. Tyson?
I'm doing my skit. Miss Johnson, why you never come out to your doorstep? Why you never come out and get your mail? It's just around the corner. You never come out. I always have to give it to you. Here's your stupid mail. Make sure you start to come out. And anyway, I forgot to tell you I had this channel. You can check out my skit and subscribe to my channel.
Well, you should subscribe to my channel.
Let me search it up and see if you have a channel. Let me search it up. Okay, I'll be there. I can leave Miss Johnson another package? Okay. Let me see if she, wait. I love her channel. Let me go tell her and give her this mail. Where's the mail?
Why are you talking to yourself? You get too old.
No, I'm not talking. Oh, crazy neighbors. Man, worry about yourself. Your crazy neighbor. Miss Johnson, someone said that I forgot to tell you something. I saw your channel. I loved it. I subscribed to it.
Let me see that phone.
And this is your package.
See the phone.
I think you would love
that? I built something.
No, he needs to see this. Sorry, that's a crazy neighbor. He always needs to see something. But you can. This book is very good. I read it for years. You can read it. Wait, where's that other crazy neighbor at? I read that. You're going to hit me like this down will fall out, okay? You crazy neighbor. Ow!